In the previous tutorial, we used a touchscreen to trigger content. In this tutorial, we will build an interactive presentation that uses a button panel to trigger content instead. For this tutorial, you will need a compatible 4 or 11 button panel available for purchase from BrightSign.biz. In the previous tutorial, we designed a menu and uploaded sample assets to bsn.cloud. Because this tutorial utilizes the same assets, before you move forward, you'll need to complete the interactive touch tutorial first. With the touch tutorial open, save a new version of the presentation as interactive buttons. In the Content tab of the presentation, delete all of the touch events. Select BP200A from the event icons. In this example, this corresponds to the 4 button panel rather than the 11 button panel. If you organize the videos 1 through 4 from left to right, when you draw the connections back to the menu, they will automatically connect to the correct buttons. With the videos ordered, click on the bottom of the home menu icon and drag button events to each video. Now let's connect the videos to each other so the buttons will still function during playback. From video 1, click on the bottom half of the icon and drag a line from video 1 to itself. This will cause button 1 to trigger video 1 to replay if pressed during the playback of video 1. To put it a different way, button 1 will replay video 1 if the player is in the video 1 state. Now, draw connections from videos 1 to videos 2, 3, and 4. Repeat this process until all of the states respond to the same set of button pushes. Keep the media end events in place from the touch tutorial so they still go back to the menu. Now save, schedule, and publish your presentation to see how it looks on the screen. In this demo, a 4-button panel is used to trigger video playback and returns to the menu upon completion. Congratulations on building a presentation that uses a button panel to control a BrightSign player. Next, building on these interactive tutorials, you'll learn how to use zone messaging to trigger content to play in a multi-zone presentation.